Hello, thank you for joining me today. I wanted to share with you how I changed the wiring diagram for the 164 Log Loader by Lionel from the original filament lamps to LEDs. LEDs are 5 to 12 volts, 5 to 12 volts direct current. So we need to change the AC coming out of the Lionel transformer, which goes to the two ends. It doesn't matter which way you put it because it's alternating current. And it changes into direct current with a plus on this side and the negative on this side. The plus sign on this side and a negative on this side. So that I changed the original filament bulbs to LEDs using those bridges and LEDs. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, we're going to dump the logs, and then we're going to activate the conveyor. Log loader takes it from the lower bin to the upper bin. Hi Austin, how you doing? And once we've gotten it all to the top, we're going to turn off the conveyor. And then we're going to dump them into the waiting car on the other side. There goes 3 at a time. Okay, now that was the original 164 log loader with the original wiring as listed in Greenberg's maintenance and operating manual. I've changed the lighting from the original filament lamps to LEDs. I kept the filament lamps, but they will only come on when the motor is running. I also added this red LED at the top to come on when the motor is running. These orange LEDs on this side come on when we activate the solenoid to dump the logs into the car. So let's see how more dramatic it looks. I'm going to unload the logs, and then we're going to start the conveyor. Now we can stop the conveyor, and then we're going to dump the cars, and you'll see a dramatic change over here with the orange lights. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed how I changed the original lighting to the LEDs. Have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye for now.